Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. If you love learning about small but fascinating creatures that share our gardens, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most common yet overlooked butterflies you're likely to spot around your yard, the fiery skipper. And here's an unusual fact to kick things off. Although it looks like a butterfly, it actually belongs to a unique family called the skippers, which are kind of a cross between moths and butterflies. They're fast flyers, so quick in fact that spotting one can feel like catching a flicker of a flame. The fiery skipper is native to the Americas, originally found in warm regions of North, Central, and South America. Today, its range extends widely from the southern United States through Mexico and into South America, thanks to its love for open grassy areas like lawns, meadows, and roadsides. If you live in warmer climates, especially in the southeast or southwest, you almost certainly seen them darting around. So how do you identify one? The fiery skipper gets its name from the bright orange and fiery golden tones on its wings. Males are usually a rich, uniform orange with small black spots, while females are darker with more molted patterns. Their bodies are fuzzy and their antennae end in hooked clubs, a signature trait of skippers. And if you catch one resting, notice how it perches with its forewings and hind wings held at different angles, almost like tiny sails. Adult skippers love sipping nectars from flower, especially lantana, verbena, zinnias, and marigolds, so gardeners can attract them by planting these nectar-rich blooms. But their caterpillars have a very different diet. The larvae feed primarily on grasses, especially Bermuda grass and St. Augustine grass. That means that your lawn could secretly be a nursery for these little creatures. The caterpillars are greenish yellow with brown heads, and they hide in folded leaves during the day. In terms of care or encouraging them in your garden, think diversity. Providing both nectar plants for adults and grassy patches for the caterpillars will support their full life cycle. If you're avoiding chemical pesticides, that's even better. That helps protect skippers and other pollinators. Beyond being fun to watch, they play an important role as pollinators. While they're not as efficient as bees, their fast and frequent visits to flowers help with garden pollination. They also provide food for birds, spiders, and predatory insects, making them a key piece in your backyard ecosystem. And here's a neat note about nutrients. While you won't be eating fiery skippers, they are part of a food chain that indirectly supports our crops and gardens. By feeding on grasses and sipping nectar, they help cycle nutrients through the environment. So next time you see a flash of orange darting low over the grass, take a closer look. You might just be spotting the fiery little skipper itself. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoy learning about this quick darting pollinator, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more deep dives into the amazing plants and creatures that make our ecosystems thrive.